Alrighty guys, so check out this Ford Raptor. We tinted the headlights on it with 45%. Also wrapped these in a matte. Both. Looks really good. I like this truck right here, man. This thing is sick. Really like how it looks. That color just looks really nice. So the other thing that we did was a while back we tinted the front windows with the front windshield strip. A couple of months ago we also installed this back rack, which was a little bit difficult to install, but we got it done. So what we also did today, those little LED pods that you see right there, the yellow ones, the customer mounted those, but we took care of all the wiring. And I was able to hook them up to the switches up here. So we didn't have to cut out or make any holes on that. So I'll show you guys. Boom. That's that aux 6. I'll show you guys how it looks. There they are. Lit up. Nice. Nicely done. Nicely. This is another good build here though. I've done a lot of work on it already. So make sure to contact D's Garage if you guys are interested in hooking up your trucks, cars, RVs. You name it, we do it. Only at D's.